Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a magic sound on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the audio at the bottom. Click on it, and after this, you can click on the effect. And at the menu, you can swipe until you can see a magic. You can click on it. And in here, you can swipe down or you can search the magic that you want to add. Maybe this one, this one, this one. And after this adds a finish, so that's how to add a magic sound on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.